In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a map in ROS. First, open a terminal and SSH into your TurtleBot. You will need to bring up minimal launch. Once minimal launch is successfully loaded on TurtleBot, you will hear a beeping. Now that you have heard it successfully beep, want to open a new tab. In this tab, we will want to SSH into TurtleBot again. Next, we want to run gmapping demo software that will allow us to create our map. Once you see ODM received, you are good to go. So open another new tab, and this time we want to run this command on our workstation and load RViz. RViz will allow us to see the map we are going to create. This is what TurtleBot currently sees. We want to run one last command in terminal before we can start making our map. This command will also be run on our workstation and is the keyboard teleop command. This command will allow you to drive TurtleBot around. Follow these instructions to drive your TurtleBot around. This command only works while you're actually in this terminal window. If you click out, back into RViz, your TurtleBot won't drive. So in order to do that, put it to the side so that way you can see where you're driving. Next, drive your TurtleBot around until you're happy making a map. As TurtleBot will go around, it will add pieces to the map and make it bigger. I will make a small map in this demonstration. TurtleBot may have to go over a spot a few times in order to pick up all the details. Whenever you are happy making your map, you will want to save your map. In order to do that, you will need to go back into Terminal. You can save your map on your workstation or your TurtleBot, but I highly suggest that you always save your maps onto your TurtleBot by SSHing in. Whenever you run a map, you will always need to run it from your TurtleBot and not from your workstation. So having it on the workstation will allow for easy access to that. That will allow you to not have to switch it once it's in. Using this command, you can input the file location of where you would like to save it. I am saving mine in my temp folder and calling it my_map_new. This will show you when it's complete. Next, you can ls into the temp folder and make sure that your map is there. Once it's there, you will see a PGM and a YAML. So here's the PGM down here, and up here shows the YAML file. This shows that my map